guys, welcome back to Drive Vault. I've got the revelation on something absolutely mind-blowing. The 2026 Kia Motorhome. That's right, we're unboxing what might just be the most luxurious camper ever. And I can't wait to dive into every detail with you. So settle in, and let's explore this beauty together. First off, can we just talk about how stunning this thing looks? Kia has really outdone themselves with the design. Picture this, a sleek, futuristic vibe with a bold two-tone color scheme. Matte gray mixed with those sharp blue accents that just pop. It's got this rugged yet classy feel, perfect for anyone dreaming of hitting the open road in style. The angular lines and LED lighting give it a modern edge. And that pop-up roof with a hint of solar panels? It's screaming adventure while keeping things eco-friendly. I mean, you could park this in a city showroom or a mountain trail, and it'd turn heads either way. The off-road ready stance with those chunky all-terrain tires and a lifted suspension just seals the deal. It's built to handle anything 2026 throws at you, from city streets to bumpy back roads. Now, let's step inside because, oh my goodness, the interiors are where this motorhome really shines. Imagine walking into a cozy, compact space that feels like a luxury hotel on wheels. We've got a foldable table and an L-shaped bench seat with plush blue-gray fabric. Perfect for a quick meal or just chilling with friends. The kitchen's tiny but mighty, with a sleek countertop, a two-burner cooktop, and a little sink that tucks away neatly. And that tiny bathroom? It's a game-changer. Super private with solid panels, a compact shower-toilet combo, and a foldable faucet. No outside views peek through those blacked-out windows, keeping it intimate and secure. The bedroom's a snug retreat, with a fold-down bed and smart storage. Everything's designed to maximize that small space without feeling cramped. It's clean, detailed, and has this futuristic glow with LED accents. Honestly, it feels like Kia took van life to a whole new level. Under the hood, or should I say under the chassis, we've got some serious power. This beauty runs on an electric powertrain, likely packing a 71.2 kWh battery based on Kia's latest EV tech, giving you around 400 kilometers of range on a single charge. That's perfect for those long road trips without constantly hunting for a plug. And get this, it's got vehicle-to-load capability, meaning you can power up your appliances out in the wild. The off-road performance is where it gets exciting. Think all-wheel drive with terrain modes to tackle muddy trails or snowy paths. It's not just about getting there, it's about conquering the journey with confidence. Performance-wise, it's smooth and quiet, with enough torque to pull you up steep inclines or overtake with ease. Perfect for a family or a solo adventurer like me. Now, let's talk about what makes this the best camper for 2026. With the electric vehicle trend exploding, everyone's going green, the Kia Motorhome fits right into that wave. It's got that luxury edge with premium touches like a 12.9-inch touchscreen running Android Automotive, climate control, and even mood lighting to set the vibe. Compared to rivals like the Volkswagen ID, California, or Toyota's hybrid camper, Kia's offering that perfect blend of off-road ruggedness and high-end comfort. Plus, the modular interior lets you customize it for camping, commuting, or cargo. Talk about versatility. It's like the Swiss Army knife of motorhomes, ready for anything. Of course, the big question on everyone's mind is pricing. While Kia hasn't dropped the exact numbers yet, based on concepts and industry buzz, we're looking at around $70,000 to $90,000, depending on the trim, like that fancy Prime variant. That's competitive for a luxury electric camper, especially when you factor in the tax credits and savings on fuel compared to gas-powered RVs. It's a solid investment for 2026, especially with the growing demand for sustainable travel. Some folks might say the luxury options could stretch the budget, but for what you're getting, style, tech, and off-grid capability, it feels worth every penny. So, what do you think? Is this the most luxurious camper ever? I'm leaning toward yes, but I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. Tell me your favorite feature, or if you'd snag one for your next adventure. Maybe you've got questions about how it handles in the snow, or what gadgets you'd add. Hit that like button if you're as excited, and don't forget to subscribe for more motorhome madness. We're heading into the future of camping, and I can't wait to see where this 2026 Kia Motorhome takes us. Until next time, happy trails, everyone!